Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm gonna share with you my pop rush, but it's already 10 away slowly. So I'm in TRIMESTER, 3 months pregnancy, and I got this pop rush, and pop rush is not like common in Philippines, and I never heard that people have it here, maybe little only. So I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the pop rush. Usually it never get rid, but maybe you're lucky to get rid of it. And I will show you what I use. So yes, this is my pop rush. It's not bad now, but literally it's so much itchy, and it's not only extremely itchy in the night time. Usually in the night time it's very itchy, and I'm dying on it. So yeah, maybe in Europe this is common, but in Philippines I think it's not. So how to get rid, or just to take the itchy lower, or to make it less itchy. So I have this. First I use my ice. I use ice pops, or ice, some cold like ice, and I use the oatmeal, which is when I take a shower I put an oatmeal in here. I just soak it, and a couple of minutes enough. So it helps. Everything helps very well. So yeah, I use it, and then I bought this aloe vera safeguard. As you see, it's signed down that it's aloe vera. This is what I use when I take a shower. This one. So it really helped. And then I use also the aloe vera gel. This is the original. As we open, it's little left only because I use it, but as you see, it's a little bit look bad, but unless it's not itchy now. It's getting better. I think it's not itchy now. It's getting better. I use this. This is the 99% fine 85. This is original. I have here. I think I have a. This is the another aloe vera gel that is. But this is for sunbath. This is not the pure aloe vera. Do not use it, because this is with alcohol, and alcohol make it worse, the itchy, make it more the pop rush, it will scar more. That's why do not use alcohol or something. Just use aloe vera. Yeah, ice, oatmeal to lower your itchy, because that's really annoying, and it makes you cry when it's really itchy, but you cannot do anything. So yeah, and I bought this fan too, because I can't even just not even do like this, because it will get worse. And if you touch your stomach with your hand, the itching will make it worse. So I just use this fan and I do like this, and it helps. It really helps. So that's what I did, and I never gonna use full clothes. As you see, I use them like this. But if you use full clothes, like if you put the clothes, whole body clothes, and you put some like aloe vera or something, it will your clothes stick in your stomach and the itchy will become worse. So it's better not to touch your stomach, but anytime, just half person, maybe you can looks like a bitch wearing like a bitch, but at least do not even wear clothes to your stomach, because it get more worse and the itchy will become more and more, and you can't even sleep, and only thing you can do is to cry. So I hope guys you enjoying my video and it helps a little bit. And keep going for watching, and if you like my video, just don't forget to like and give me a thumbs up and subscribe.